Hi everybody, it's Debbie from the Dione Irwin real estate team. I'm out here in Carstairs today to take you guys on a live tour of one of our upcoming listings at 1541 McAlpine Street in Carstairs. This is a 1,541 square foot bungalow with a mostly developed basement, and it's on a really huge corner lot. So I'm going to walk you guys through it so you can have a peek at it before it hits the MLS. So I'm just out front of the house right now. I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour of the street, and I will turn this around if I can figure out how. There we go. All right, so this is the street. Lots of nice big trees and lots of updated houses in here, or newer houses, kind of at the edge of town here. And this is the front view of the house. Really cute. Nice double garage doors there, and a really cute front porch. I think this is a pretty quiet street actually, because there's not a lot of traffic that would be going by here. So this would be a nice decent sized porch to put some chairs out and sit where it's cool in the summertime. And here we go. So you come in the front door. Just off the front entrance is this flex room. It's actually a really good size, and it's got lots of nice bright windows. Hi, Dion. They're using it as an office right now, but it could be, I guess, a flex room, a dining room, a playroom for the kids or whatever. So that's really cute. And then off this side, there's the garage door coming in from the garage, and there's laundry with a nice big laundry room in here with some storage and a little bench seat, and so hangers for coats and stuff. And then we walk into the main area of the house. I love how open this floor plan is. It's huge. Like, this is big furniture. I hope it shows that on the video. But so many windows in here. It's so bright. Right through the back of the house. It's beautiful, right? And then they have these really nice built-ins here, and an office desk at the side. This is a lot of added storage in here. And as you come around here, it's got a good sized kitchen. Of course, all the windows, or good sized dining nook, sorry. You could put a huge table in here. This one already seats 6, but you could probably put one that expands even further. And they've got a nice big prep island in here, which I like a lot. Lots of room to prepare all your meals, and nice corner pantry there. What do you guys think? It's so bright in here, hey? And you can stand here and do dishes and look out all these beautiful windows. They all have blinds that are up right now, of course, because we want the light in today. And then the rest of the main floor is just down this hallway. They have a closet here. That was a terrible view. And another 4-piece bath, sorry. There's a tub, a nice sink. And then there's 2 bedrooms up here. So this is, they've got it all pinked out for their daughter. Really cool bed. But a good sized room for sure here. And then this huge master bedroom. So there's a king size bed in here, and there is still a ton of space. They don't have a lot of furniture in here, but it could hold a lot of furniture. I know it is bright, right, you guys? There are so many windows in this house. I love it. And then into the master bath. There's a single sink here, but a really nice sized cabinet. And then a soaker tub, corner soaker tub there with, again, lots of windows. Some nice shutters on these windows too, which is really nice. And then a 4-foot shower. This is interesting. It's got 2 shower heads, one on each side. Fun. And then the toilet's tucked away in the corner. And it's got a really nice big master closet with a lot of built-in shelving, which is fantastic. So what do you think so far, you guys? It's not bad, hey? Yeah, I think it's got a great ensuite, Jen. I really love the main floor of this house. It's so open. But I'm going to take you guys downstairs now. They've got, actually, let's look out in the backyard first. So they just built this upper deck. This is brand new. You can put your barbecue up here. Gas line is right there, so you can have your barbecue or your smoker, whatever you want. And then it walks down onto this really big deck down here. This lot is so huge, this corner lot. You could have RV parking here easily. There is so much room here to do whatever you wanted. And they've got, I mean, look at this huge play center. And it doesn't even, it doesn't even dwarf the backyard. It's really massive. But yeah, this nice corner lot, so much room. It is hot today back here in the sun. All right. And just off the kitchen here, you can go down into the basement. And they have, the flooring's all done. They've got a laminate flooring down on the ground all the way through. And so this basement is mostly finished. They left the ceilings open, but they've got all the pot lights wired in. So it's well lit. Lots of windows down here. It is really bright. And then they've got this bedroom is finished. It's huge too. This is a really big bedroom. Nice, great big window in this bedroom as well. And then wait till you see this bathroom. This beautiful bathroom they've got in here, you guys. They just put this in with a beautiful 4-piece shower with the glass barn doors on it. Nice, hey? And some really nice gray tile on the ground. So this basement just really needs paint, and then it's ready to go. And if somebody wanted to put a suspended ceiling in or something, they could do that too. But it's huge. I mean, you could do whatever you wanted down here. There's so much space. Anyway, what do you guys think? This house is going to hit the market in a couple of days here. So if anybody wants to come see it before that happens, you should message us and let us know. We're going to list this house at $450,000. I think that's a great deal for the space that you get here. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, let us know. And if you want to see it, we'll for sure walk you through. We'll set up a time. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Have a great day. I gotta figure out how to stop it.